Hello everyone, I am Nilay from It's For You. I hope you all are very well. We are often frustrated having to choose between mediocre quality but cheap earbuds or good quality earbuds that was outside the wallet. Now in this video, I am going to show you Juxi earbuds which is designed for sound. Let's have a look at this ChamSpots X1 True Wireless Stereo Earbuds. These ChamSpots X1 earbuds are available on crowdfunding Indiegogo website. The price of this X1 model is $49, which is roughly 3500 Indian rupees. I will drop a link in below description for you if you wish to buy one for you and check current price. The X1 is available in red, blue, black and white color variants. I guess we have the white one. Moreover, they provide 90-day money back and 12 months worry-free warranty. On the top of the box, it's a Juxi logo with the product design with its model number. If we focus on the sides, it's Bluetooth 5.0 and on the rear it shows some details which I will cover on later section. Let's open up this box. Packaging is very impressive. Opening the package, on the first I have a quick start guide. Nice glossy red branding of ChamSpots. Here we have the white one. Well, we will check it out later on. Opening this black box, we get two silicone ear tips with the included 3 different sizes. Small, medium and large. The medium one is fitted with the earbuds. This is ultimate in-ear comfort silicone ear tips, molded to contours of any ear to provide a better fit and seal. Next is a USB Type-C connector for charging the case. At the last we have the user manual with 6 different languages. Earbuds come in a case which can be used to charge them. The chargeable case is nice, easy to store and very smart looking with Juxi logo on the front. While on the rear model branding, it's solidly built with stylish curved glossy edges. The size is perfect for any handbag. I like the magnetic charging case. I had other Bluetooth earbuds that have never charged up properly, but the magnetic charging case ensures that they are always charged. We get this small 4 LEDs charging indicators along with the Type-C port on the opposite side. Let's have a look on the earbuds. Opening the case, I was greeted by a very nice looking white earphones in standby mode. No wires, no restrictions. Separate earbuds fit independently into each ear. You no longer have to worry about the cable winding together. The LEDs were shining and it made a very nice experience. The earbuds can be used duals or separately as you wish, which means you can share the same music, movies with friends and enjoy clear sound by using this both headset. Most interestingly, there is no power button at all. Everything is controlled by taps. More convenient to use. On the both earbuds you get microphone. The J logo on the center is your touch control. With one click on any ear of the right or left, you can play or pause music. Double click will allow you to play next track on the right ear, while on the left to play a previous track. Long press on the right ear to increase the volume and left to decrease the volume. Making 3 taps continuously to open the smart voice function such as Siri. It comes with premium LED light indicator to assist you. Whenever you remove earbuds together from the case, both earphone indicates flash quickly and enter interconnection state automatically. After successful interconnection, the left earphone stops blinking, which means ready to pair. ChamSpots wireless earbuds is powered by advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, which enables faster connectivity and a stable signal with low power consumption. It comes with stable over-ear radio frequency design. The earbuds has IP66 waterproof and dust protection with intelligent voice control, a unique and comfortable lock ear design. Each earbud weighs approx 6.3 grams, which means our earphones can adapt to more application scenarios like exercising, riding, cooking, climbing, running and so on, even in the rain and snow. You never have to worry about that it will fall or wet. Just enjoy what you are doing. Battery life is quite good, as you can charge both earbuds from 0 to 100% 5 times with 950 mAh charging case. While each earbud has 85 mAh battery and the earbuds can last over 6 hours of music playtime on a single charge. Just 20 minutes of charging time gives you an hour of playtime. With on-the-go charging case, the earbuds powered to last up to 100 hours. That means you can listen to 1500 songs and watch 20 movies. They automatically charge when they are put in the case, which is convenient. These earbuds are so handy. Once arrived, I have put them on charge as advised in manual. Once charged, it was easy and simple to connect to my phone via Bluetooth. JAMSports case is equipped with inbuilt connector with a beautiful chamber design. Moreover, innovative technology automatically puts the earphones to sleep when not in use and instantly wakes up at the first sense of motion. The right earphone is the master one when you use one earphone, but both earbuds cannot be used voice call as the safety feature added on JAMSports. Hence, one earbud will work during voice calls. Talking about the audio specifications, sound quality is good but not completely noise cancelling. Look-wise it's very elegant. Connectivity is good, even the mic is great. It comes with wind noise protection, ambient noise reduction, while microphone frequency range is 100 Hz to 10 kHz and speaker frequency range is 20 Hz to 20 kHz. The earbuds has a built-in 4 high-quality audio firmware, 10 mm speaker unit, composite diagram and a special structure unit to show the incredible sound quality with deep bass and crystal clear treble. These true wireless earbuds will be comfortable tucked in your ears, providing you a dependable in-ear stability from your toughest workouts to your boardroom meetings, comfortable over a long period of time. Owned several pair of what I called budget wireless headphones that done the job but never really delivered great sound. In comparison, these are on another level. Comfortable, discreet, loud, and actually have a great buzz with absolutely no distortion. One gripe I always had with wireless headphones was no volume control, but with this you can control the volume. Super fast connection to devices that support Bluetooth. Works flawlessly. Very hard to notice lag while playing videos. Calls are of better voice clarity. Pretty decent noise isolation. The design and looks of JAMSports is awesome, and I truly think that the product is much better than the overpriced Apple AirPods. I would highly recommend my friends for it over other headphones. I will drop a link in description if you wish to buy. For now, signing off, and I see you in the next one. Do remember to subscribe us and press the bell icon to get regular notification. Thank you for being with me, and don't forget to share this video with your family and friends.